In this video, we're going to talk about the real line or number line, what it is and how do we use it. What is a number line? A number line or real line is a geometric representation of real numbers. Imagine a line that extends infinitely to left and right. Now every point on this line corresponds to a real number, and every real number corresponds to a point on the real line. The center point of this line corresponds to 0. We call this the origin. As we move from the origin to the right, the corresponding numbers increase in value and are positive. As we move from the origin to the left, the corresponding numbers increase in value but are negative. The real line consists of all real numbers, including rational and irrational numbers. We only usually see integers on the diagram for convenience. Using this convention, we can easily compare numbers visually. If a and b are real numbers on the real line, then a is less than b if a is at farther left than b. A is greater than b if a is at farther right than b. Example 1. Fill in the following blanks with less than or greater than symbol. Referring to the number line, we can easily tell that 3 is less than 8 because 3 is at farther left than 8. Negative 7 is less than 5.2 because negative 7 is at farther left than 5.2. Negative 4 is greater than negative 10 because negative 4 is at farther right than negative 10. 0 is greater than negative 2 because 0 is at farther right than negative 2. Using the number line, we can also define the absolute value. The absolute value of a real number is the distance from the origin. Distance is always positive or 0. Thus, we can say that if a is a real number, then the absolute value of a is equal to a if a is greater than or equal to 0, or the absolute value of a is equal to negative a if a is less than 0. Example 2. Evaluate the absolute value of the following real numbers. Referring to the number line and from the definition, the absolute value of 6 is 6. The absolute value of negative 6 is 6. The absolute value of 0 is 0. And the absolute value of pi is pi. So that's the number line or real line. On the next video, we will discuss more about the absolute value and the distance between points on the real line. Thank you for watching and see you at the next video.